Hey, all right. So I thought I would make I just finished the other video about True Recall, and so I thought I would make a quick demo about, or just I don't know, show and tell how it works with Jarvis Memory, and so I'll make a new session eventually. So this is how I kind of do my YouTube videos, right? So first I'll just so first I'll ask her, and she might not remember. It's a new session, so everything's blanked out. So I'll just, yeah, see, 4 steps, right? So this is always, so I'm gonna ask her where so she got from, where'd you get the information? So that was from the built-in memory. So I'm gonna say search Q, which is the quadrant Kimi's memories. So this is what I do every time. So I have a 4-step process where, so I first tell, so usually because Kimi worked on the project, right? So we worked on it together. I remind her to search Q for the project details. So even though it's a new session, she can look in Quadrant and find all the details about the project. So then I have her give me a description that I provide to Grok to create me a video thumbnail. And then we go back and forth until it's right. Then I ask her to help me with the video title, and then I get her to help me with the description, and then I get her to search YouTube for the most common searched criteria around my video, and then she creates me some tags that I drop in. So I mean, it works really well, right? I mean, I just wanted to throw out a little demo because I talk about it a lot, but I don't really show it in action. So this is kind of it in action, just how I put my YouTube videos together with like the thumbnail and the description and the SEO tags. But thanks for watching.